Do your joints feel stiff when you wake up? Maybe your knees ache after walking or your fingers are sore by the evening. What you eat could be making it worse. Today, I'll show you 4 common ingredients that can silently fuel inflammation in your body, and what to do instead. Avoiding them might not just ease the pain, it could change your life. Joint pain isn't just about wear and tear. In fact, chronic inflammation is often the real villain behind pain, swelling, and stiffness. And while medication can offer temporary relief, addressing the root cause starts with your plate. Think of it this way: you can't put out a fire if you keep pouring gasoline on it. Certain foods act like gasoline, silently feeding inflammation inside your joints. Refined sugar is one of the most inflammatory ingredients in the modern diet. It spikes your blood sugar, which triggers insulin and inflammatory cytokines, chemicals your immune system uses like little attack dogs. Over time, this causes oxidative stress in your joints. We're talking about candies, cakes, cookies, soft drinks, but also hidden sugars in things like salad dressings and even whole grain bread. Next are refined vegetable oils, like soybean, corn, safflower, and sunflower oil. These oils are everywhere, especially in restaurant food and packaged snacks. They're high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't bad by itself. The problem is imbalance. Most people today consume 15 to 20 times more omega-6 than omega-3. That tips your immune system toward chronic inflammation, especially in the joints. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. For people with celiac disease, it's toxic, but even if you're not celiac, gluten may cause inflammation, especially if you have an autoimmune condition like rheumatoid arthritis. The problem? It can increase intestinal permeability, or what we call leaky gut, which allows inflammatory substances to reach your bloodstream and joints. Try going gluten-free for 2 to 4 weeks and, just monitor your symptoms. Processed meats like bacon, deli meats, and sausages contain additives like nitrates and advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These compounds can increase oxidative stress and trigger an immune response which just worsens joint pain. In fact, a 2020 study linked frequent consumption of processed meats with increased inflammation markers. And honestly, guess where it shows up first? In your joints. So try choosing grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, or plant-based proteins instead. So what should you eat to support your joints? Focus on anti-inflammatory foods, leafy greens like spinach and kale, fatty fish like salmon and sardines, turmeric and ginger, plus berries, nuts, and olive oil. Also, staying well hydrated helps keep the cartilage in your joints cushioned and healthy. Remember, anti-inflammatory foods mean long-term joint support. Remember, what you avoid can be just as important as what you eat. By cutting out refined sugar, processed oils, gluten, and processed meats, you're removing key drivers of inflammation. Pair that with whole foods, movement, and good sleep, and your joints will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe and tap the notification bell. And if you're ready to keep improving, we've got more videos with practical tips to help you feel better, move better, and live healthier, naturally. Pick one and keep going. Your best years can still be ahead.